1 in 4 North Carolinians have criminal records, creating devastating consequences that impact access to housing and employment opportunities. On June 25, 2020, the Second Chance Act was signed into law, making it easier for people to clear their records by expanding expungement eligibility for certain offenses after a waiting period.
I was eager to advocate and show support for this bill because I knew it would provide relief to so many people. The passing of this bill removes the burden of the stigma and shame of having a criminal record, and now there are countless numbers of people who are able to live their lives to the fullest.
So what is the Second Chance Act?
The Second Chance Act is a law recently passed in North Carolina that expands opportunities for people to expunge or remove charges and convictions from their criminal records. People who have made mistakes or bad choices in the past should not be sentenced to perpetual punishment, facing a lifetime of collateral consequences due to their criminal records. By expanding these expungement opportunities, people with criminal records can gain better access to employment, housing, education, professional licenses, and get a clean slate.
So what does the Second Chance Act do?
The Second Chance Act expands expungement opportunities in 3 ways. 1, raise the age expungements. Beginning on September 1st, 2020, this will allow people who were 16 or 17 years old before December 1st, 2019, and were convicted of any misdemeanor or a Class H or I felony to file for an expungement of their record after they have completed their sentence. 2, expanded eligibility for nonviolent convictions. This allows you to file for an expungement of 1 nonviolent misdemeanor conviction 5 years after you complete your sentence. You can file for an expungement of 1 nonviolent felony conviction 10 years after you complete your sentence. And beginning December 1st, 2020, you can file for an expungement of multiple nonviolent misdemeanor convictions 7 years after you complete your sentence for the last conviction. 3, expungements for charges that do not result in conviction. This allows people charged with misdemeanors or felonies that were dismissed by the court or the court made a finding of not guilty to file an expungement for these charges. Beginning December 1st, 2020, a felony conviction no longer blocks these charges from being expunged. And even more, beginning December 1st, 2021, if a court dismisses charges or makes a finding of not guilty, these charges will be automatically expunged. However, there are some exceptions to automated expungements for certain charges that are dismissed as a part of a plea agreement. For more information, please visit ncsecondchance.org.
This bill was the result of advocacy work by Forward Justice and community members in the North Carolina Second Chance Alliance, a statewide coalition of people fighting for second chances for those impacted by the criminal legal system.
I'm for second chances.
And I am for second chances.
Are you for second chances? The fight doesn't stop here. Learn more and join the movement by going to ncsecondchance.org.